evening everyone. My name is Sudip Maiti. Today I'll tell you in shortest period of time how you can achieve a skills. Skills are very important in our life. Without skill you can't survive in this world. But how you can achieve that? First, do some research. What are the skills are required for you? Then do the prioritization of the each and every skills. So pick up top 2 or 3 skills and break down those particular skills into the sub skill. When you will break it down to the sub skill, give the timeline for each and every sub skills. Next point is that give the 20% effort, which will give the 80% outcome, 80-20 rule. Then you can find a community, find a mentor, immerse yourself, visualize your goal, what you want to achieve after acquiring these particular skills. I would say if you follow these particular tips and techniques, I believe that within the shortest period of time you can achieve your skills, and that way your target will fulfill. If you really like my video, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. You can reach out to me very easily through my mail ID. My mail ID is written below, sudip.maiti@gmail.com. My mission is that to impact the 1 million youth within the age group of the 22 to 30 years of age, to build their professional and the personal growth in terms of self-discipline, improve the communication skills and confidence to become a great leader for the nation. So if you want the more things, you can call me or drop a mail to me. I'll reply back based on my suitable time. Thank you for watching me.